all your success you've talked about so far is fantastic. The fitness world, as a sort of a wider thing,
Yeah.
appears to jump from trend to trend,
Yeah.
and appears to subsume almost an almost anything goes approach
Right.
to exercise. Do you think this approach to exercise can have its moment in the sun? If we say the Nautilus era sort of had its moment in the sun, do you think this intense approach to resistance training can have another moment in the sun?
I mean, my mission statement for the company, or I should say my vision statement, is to change that mindset, that popular mindset that you need to do all this to be in shape. And I would love to change that mindset. My vision is that people see high-intensity strength training as the norm for how you should go about your exercise approach and plan. At high-intensity strength, in other words, high-intensity strength training should be the foundation. Not that you can't build on that foundation, but you have to start with high-intensity strength training. You have to have a couple of intense doses, hopefully safe doses, of high-intensity work. Because we know so much now about what happens physiologically. I mean, we have the tools to measure these things now, and we're really learning that there are profound effects to high-intensity exercise. You know, and then everything builds from that. So I think we will. I think, I don't know in my lifetime, but I think science is going to bear this out over time as we get better at kind of finding new markers of health, more accurate markers of health and fitness. I think it's going to bear out over time that this is the way the human body should be trained. But I don't know if it's going to happen in our lifetime because we have so much marketing out there. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry, and there are a lot of millions of dollars, it's billions of dollars at stake here for not buying into this. So, but the truth will eventually rise to the top.
Great.
Know? So, but I'm hoping it happens in my lifetime. But we're changing minds one at a time, one client at a time. And there's an expression, of course, you probably have heard it, you know, buy local, think global.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking to myself, if I just do my job locally, and if I keep helping people and sending this message out to as many people as I can, and all my other colleagues around the country are doing the same thing, that there'll be this, hopefully this momentum and this collective understanding of, you know, oh. And it's, I see it happening, the beginnings of it. I mean, this high intensity interval training, and brief is more, and there's more. I mean, they're kind of misguided a little bit, but they're definitely, people are latching on to this intensity stuff, and you're seeing half-hour workouts out there when that was unheard of. You know, even CrossFit, as much as I dislike CrossFit for all the dangerous aspects of it, it's bringing attention to intensity being the king, not so much duration. You know, so as much as I like to be down on CrossFit, they are helping the idea that intense workouts are where the answers are, the health nuggets are.